Here with Goober, we're gonna unbox
The twig brush.
the twig brush.
If you don't know what a twig brush is, you sleeping, man. I'm telling you.
It's from his culture. Never heard of it here in America.
This is grown in farms in the desert regions of the Middle East. Okay, Salvadora persica tree. It's either a root or a branch. So let me see if you can see it close. It looks like a ginger thing, but basically, well, he's gonna show you. He's gonna remove the bark. There's gonna be a little surprise under the bark. So just like peel off the top.
Just with your finger.
Showed him, yeah. He's just gonna peel it off like that.
And what's cool about this, you don't need like toothpaste or anything. You just
Nope. So some
just
people
be hanging out. I see him in the morning. I didn't know what he was doing. He was just like sitting there with. I thought he was smoking something in my room. And then he's doing he's brushing his teeth. And it's good if you travel because you just don't need water, don't need toothpaste. That was cool. And then when you like stop tasting it, apparently, then you can just peel more of it down and just keep going. So the whole thing is just badass.
it's like a constant toothbrush.
Is that good enough?
Whatever you're comfortable with. So yours is a little thick,
Yeah.
but just like don't be afraid to just dig it out.
I like them girthy.
Yeah. And then when you got enough peeled off that you think is good enough, you can like chew on it until you make it softer. So show them real quick what it looks like. So look, he's peeled off the bark.
I see it's getting a little more stringy now.
Yeah, and then there's just bristles in there, dude. How crazy is that?
I should have my switchblade here though, but it does come off easy.
Some people use cigar cutters, some use blades. I usually just peel it off, and I think that's good enough.
This is good.
Yeah, just like now bite it until it's soft.
Oh, sick. Yeah, it's squishy.
Look at that. There's bristles in there. Oh, crazy. It's naturally like that. It's insane.
Yeah, so it's flavored. Tastes good. And you said this is just not even artificially flavored. This is just what it tastes like.
It's just what it tastes like. No additives, nothing. It's just a root, bro. It's a twig.
All right, so now I got my strand, so now I just brush it.
Just brush like normal. You can get inside.
Bro, you know what's so crazy, man? This is so wild. I had a dream last night that my teeth had some green stuff on them, and I was like doing with my finger trying to get them off, and I got it off, and I was like, "Hey, Dad, look at my teeth. One is green, one is not." And now here I am, like scraping my teeth off.
That's so weird.
Yeah, man, that's cool.
Have you brushed your teeth this morning or no?
No, I just woke up.
All right, this is the best experiment. He's going to see what it feels like to use this versus a toothbrush in the morning. Can give you like the real results.
I'll be honest though.
Literally brush like normal. Can get your insides. A lot of people ask, how do you get your insides? Just how you just angle it differently.
Yeah.
And you get it. You can even scrape your tongue. Or you can just get a tongue scraper. It doesn't matter. But it all works.
Oh, I like that, man. I like this.
And you can even get rid of stains you had for a long time. At least that's what it did for me. This is how people took care of their teeth.
Dude, that's
back
cool.
in the day.
I mean,
And before all the sugar diets and whatever, they actually had pretty good teeth.
I would just be, if it wasn't for the video, I mean, I'll still just do this. I'm just going to be chilling here as I read and journal this morning, just
Yep.
putting, chewing it. Well, it feels good, man. Thank you for bringing this to America, Goober.
The twig brush.
And welcome to Florida.
Yeah.